Come enjoy beach living in this 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom cape on Long Island Sound. Located in historic Old Lyme, Connecticut, this incredible property offers a private beach with amazing 180-degree oceanfront views inside and out. A beautiful Trex deck overlooks the ocean and steps right down into the sand, just a few footsteps from the water, and walking distance to seaside restaurants. Experience the best of the Connecticut shoreline. Casinos, shopping, museums, and aquariums are all nearby. You're just minutes from I-95, giving you easy access to and from New York and all of New England. This is a perfect spot to vacation or spend the summer. Thank you for touring 10 West End Drive in Old Lyme, Connecticut.